Hi guys! Welcome back to a new video. Okay guys, today's video is going to be a mukbang of the McDonald's secret menu. So if you guys are interested to see the first item I ordered through the delivery website, keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alice. I make mukbangs, lifestyle related videos, product reviews. So if you guys are interested in those, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so y'all be informed of new videos that your girl uploads, okay? This is going to be about the McDonald's secret menu. So if you guys are not aware of, McDonald's has this thing on their McDelivery website, which is their secret menu. It's not like really secret anymore. Basically, there's like 5 items which I will be featuring here. So each video is one of those items. And the reason why I'm making this series, like this mukbang series, is because
curious ako. Like, why do they have this secret menu on their website, and what does it taste like, basically?
So I ordered one of the 5, as I've mentioned. At yung aso ko talaga, nag-aabang siya, guys.
Nico, I already fed you.
Okay, so I haven't seen it. You know, even the Mac delivery guy was like,
Nico! Baba! Naiinis na ako sa aso ko. Nico! No! No!
okay guys, so even the Mac delivery guy, because I kind of order a lot on, through their website, he kind of knows me by first name already.
What?
That's how much I order through McDonald's. Like, especially pag walang pagkain din talaga sa bahay, ang puntahan ng ate girl nyo ay McDonald's.
Hello, McDonald's. Sponsor me.
So, if you guys are wondering what I ordered, I actually ordered the BCB burger.
Bumaba ka nga, sabi! My dog's like waiting for the chance to steal this. No!
Okay. So, I'm gonna show you guys the BCB. I think BCB stands for beef, chicken, beef. I don't know. Kind of looks like it came with a Big Mac box. Kasi nga parang Big Mac style siya. Oh my God. Feeling ko sobrang laki niya, guys. Hey, excuse me! My dog's like, baba! No! This is not doggy food. This is human food. This is what it looks like. Ang daming lettuce! Dude! Are you... Oh my God. Ayan siya, oh. I'm trying to make you guys see everything. And it's kind of hard to hold. So, totoo lang, guys. It has a lot of lettuce. So, tama nga yung aking hinala. Kinain ko na yung lettuce, diba? It's... Oh, bakit ganon? Bakit ganon yung itsura niya? I'm gonna insert a picture from their website over here. Or at my side. So, BCB stands for burger. Oh. No. No. Are you kidding me? McDonald's. This is not BCB. This is not what it looks like on your website. Wait lang. It's supposed to be 2 burger patties, like one at the top, and then chicken in the middle, and then beef burger again at the bottom. This only has chicken, then this, and cheese, and then a beef patty. Ano daw? McDo? This is what it looks like, guys. Well, iba yung itsura niya. Ano to? Mystery burger? McDonald's? Care to explain? Okay, guys. I'm gonna attempt to eat the burger. I had a mini meltdown earlier because of my dog. My dog was trying to steal this burger away from me. Like, sometimes, even the fur babies want the burgers. Why? Okay, so I'm kind of scared doing this. Alright, let's just try it out. What? Ang dami masyado ng lettuce, guys. So, ito lang. Oh my dear Lord. Whoa. Okay. First bite, what does it taste like? Parang siyang Big Mac na may chicken. May spicy McChicken. Alam niyo yun, yung spicy, yung McChicken na burger na spicy. McSpicy ba yun? Parang siyang ganun. Big Mac na may McSpicy. Ang daming lettuce. So, ito lang. Yun naman sabi ko, ang daming lettuce. Which is okay. Kaya pala medyo spicy siya kasi may mustard. What? Ano parang ako, what? May mustard siya sa ilalim. Like, nakita ko lang, oh. Dito, oh. May mustard. Yep, this is definitely mustard. I know the smell of mustard when I see one. And I actually like mustard. Pero hindi siya maanghang. Okay, that's the thing. It's not that spicy. Kakainin ko muna to. Compared to the Big Mac, kasi Big Mac merong pickles. This doesn't have pickles at all. And the taste of the chicken and the beef patty actually is okay. I do like it. It takes a bit of a getting used to the different textures ng chicken tsaka ng beef. And my dog is just like staring down at my burger right now. So this is what it looks like inside. It's not a pretty sight, might I tell you. It's not pretty. Pero it kind of works. Alam mo yun? Kasi the mustard in here kind of brings the beef patty and the chicken together. Weird enough. And then it has a slice of cheese, which is a little bit of a creaminess. Actually, medyo sharp yung cheese. I think this is American cheese. Yep, American cheese. Pagbibigyan ko yung madaming lettuce. Kasi it brings another texture na medyo crunchy. And it doesn't overwhelm the palate. Ang sarap niya, in fairness. Alam mo, nung una medyo pinagsisisihan ko kasi hindi ito yung katulad nung nakita ko sa internet. But it does, and it still tastes okay. It's good. Alam mo yun. Pati kung gusto mong mapuno talaga, gusto mong mabusog talaga, ito po yung kakainin nyo. Kasi ang laki niya. Alam mo, for a big eater like me, I kind of feel overwhelmed eating this. Nakakailang bites pa ako, tatlo. Kind of takes a while to chew it evenly and then just like, you know, swallow it. My dog is just like staring at it as if it's like the sun. Huh? No, you're not gonna eat this. Ang bilis mo kumain ng burger, no? So, what do I think about the BCB burger from the secret menu of McDonald's? I actually think it's a good burger. I just like it was a bit of a letdown kasi nga yung picture sa website was different from the one that was delivered to me. But because it's a secret menu, of course, malay ko ba, diba? Para siyang mystery box. I don't really know if it's gonna be the same thing. I really do like the taste. The texture is amazing. Alam mo yun, medyo nag-overpower na nga in the end yung lasa ng manok dun sa beef. Kasi nga nasa squish yung beef dun sa sa bun in between. The mustard was a bit of a surprise kick to it. I really, really like it. Will I recommend this to you guys? Of course. Alam mo yun, parang, it's something new to try. Okay, it's not bad to try something. Will I buy it again? I would probably buy it again. I would definitely try it out for my friends. Alam mo yun, parang, try mo siya. Pero, for me, I wouldn't order it. Kasi ang price pala niya, I forgot to mention earlier. Oh my god, I'm such a doodle head sometimes. This is 246. Pero ito kasi na-customize ko na to. I believe in their website it's like 239, 200 something. I actually customized the drink because I don't want soda, so I ordered something else. Overall, I do think it's a good buy. You know, it's a good thing to try once in a while. Hindi naman siya kabawasan. Medyo na-let down lang talaga ako McDo. Bakit isa lang yung patty? Bakit? So, question of the day, have you tried out this burger from McDonald's? And if you guys are interested, I'll put all the information on the description box where you can order the BCB from McDonald's. And with that being said, I do have to go now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And of course, message me there kung napanood nyo yung video, and I will surely like it. And of course, with that being said, I do have to go now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye! Mwah.